type thing. It's not burned, but you know, it's like a rash. I don't want to touch it very much, so I oiled around it with jasmine, frankincense, and lavender. And then I actually just had my face oil tincture with my dropper. And this is how I apply it. So that I'm not rubbing the area, I'm just dropping it like this and letting it soothe the area. This is my third application.
Oh no, 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 no.
This is rose oil, Yarrow Pom, frankincense, wild orange, and turmeric. This is the combination I gave you guys for like the face moisturizer. And I just so happen to have this because I was going to use it tonight, and it's going to help heal your wound. I'll show you guys tomorrow. I think this is the second time we put oil on today, right before bed. Same thing. I'm just gonna stick with what we did last night. I forgot to tell you I have blue tansy in here as well. So blue tansy, Yarrow Pom, turmeric, frankincense, wild orange, and the carrier is rose hip oil. Still a little tender. Okay, so this is day 3 of oil application, and it looks amazing. It's still a little bit, it's still a little bit tender right here, but really, like, there's nothing. It's almost completely gone. And if you saw when it happened, it was so bad. Like, it almost brought tears to my eyes when it happened. Anyways, that is